guys, welcome back to our makeup channel. I know, ignore the background. That window right there is bothering me too. It's crooked and it's bothering me, but I just kind of been all over the house today trying to do this makeup tutorial. Honestly, tried so hard. If you guys don't know and didn't see my last video, I am pregnant, so I do get tired. I'm a little like whiny. I'm such a whiny person, okay, now that I'm pregnant. It's not even me. I literally get so freaking tired. So tired. And then like out of nowhere, I'll have like this urge to throw up. So I did have that urge while filming this video today. And my back just hurted so much. I think it's barely starting to not hurt. But it was just hurting so much because I have to stand up and do this video with you guys just because I feel like it's faster for me, but it does stress out my back a lot. But anyways, besides the pregnancy thing, I did want to come on here and do a video with you guys because I miss doing makeup. I miss looking so dang cute. I just miss it so much. I have been going natural for like the past month and a half, and it's like I like it. Like, I'm not gonna say I don't like it. I like it, but that is just lazy Jessica because I really do love makeup a lot, and I just need to stop and get my life together and work around being pregnant. But some days I do feel horrible and I just can't get myself to film. But today I was just like, whatever, I'm gonna do it. So I did end up doing this makeup tutorial for you guys. Super cute. I hope you guys enjoy it. I did use the Aphrodite palette. Where did I leave it? So I did end up using this Aphrodite palette, which you guys saw me unbox here. Now I have used it on my friend when I did her makeup, and I also used it myself one time, and then I used it this time. And I have to warn you guys, this palette is really good actually, but I'm warning you because the pigmentation in this palette is freaking insane. Now, the shadows do have fallout. It is like the same thing with the Anastasia palettes where you guys are like, oh my god, if you tap the brush lightly, it won't fall off. Yes, of course. So don't, if you guys buy this palette, don't dig in because a lot of product comes up on the brush. And also, it is just so pigmented, like you need to take your time. I don't show you guys in the video, but I do clean off my brush a lot when I use Lust, just because I don't want it to overpower my eye and then I'm just blending there for hours. Take a very light hand of these eyeshadows. They are super freaking pigmented. Now I know like a lot of us, when we get like the same colors, which are reds and pinks, we always like end up doing the same look. I did try to do something different today. You will see how you can use these eyeshadows that are super shimmery. Now you guys know this is a dupe for the Huda Beauty palette. I don't know the exact name of it, but I will put it right here. And I have not tried the Huda Beauty palette, but this is really good. Honestly, it doesn't make me like want to go spend out like the $75, however it is, because this palette came out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I was really impressed. But if you guys want to see how I used it today, then just keep on watching. That's why you clicked on this video. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up because I honestly did try a lot in this video.
The first color I am taking is the color Blushin', which is a very warm pink color. I am taking a little bit on my brush and building it up. As you can see, I am focusing in on the crease of my eye and kind of pulling out because I do want my eye to look huge in this tutorial. I wanted to accentuate my eye and just make it look like I have bigger eyes than I actually do. So what I do is just blend in the crease and take it out kind of by the end tail of my eyebrow. And next I'm going to be taking Romance, which is more of a brown, I would say warm reddish color. I know I suck at describing colors, but I am just focusing this on the same part where I put the pink color. That is because we are going to be going with a very dark red and very, very dramatic. So you want to have your base well blended out. That way when you put that really pigmented red on top, as you're going to see right now, it doesn't look patchy, or if it doesn't look like somebody hit you, or it just doesn't look like you got pink eye or anything like that. So make sure to blend really good. Then I'm going to take the color Lust, which honestly is super freaking pigmented. Take really little on your brush. I do focus it mainly on the crease, as you can see here, just going in circular motions. And once I'm done, like once I feel like the brush doesn't have that much product, I do take it up a little bit and out, like I said, towards like the end of my eyebrow, just to make my eye a little bit more big. But please do blend out, because this color can kind of just stain your eye and stay there. I'm going to be taking the color Seduction in a more thin blending brush and just really focusing it on the crease. Now this is really where you can fake your crease of your eye. Let's say you don't have that much lid space, I would say go above where your lid space ends, just so that you kind of could fake that crease. You'll see right now when we cut the crease what I mean, but I am just focusing the color on there, and I didn't want it to look like the color Lust, which is kind of like a wine color. Lust, I didn't want it to look like the other color, which is darker. So I did go again in with Lust, the red color, and kind of blended it out, because I did want to have that reddish tone to it and not really have it look purplish, because Seduction is more purple, more winey, more wine color. So here I just added a little bit more to the crease where I want it to be. Then I'm going to be taking this concealer brush from MAC and the concealer from MAC and NC25. Now here you can take your cut crease as far up as you want, just depending on how much lid space you want. I don't really recommend going your natural crease, because if you go your natural crease, sometimes it's too small and it can look a little bit weird. So if you want your eye to look a little bit more big and open, do take your crease a little bit more up than usual. That way also you don't have creasing in the eyeshadow. Here I am blending out the concealer. A lot of girls forget to blend out the concealer, and that's why they get really patchy eyeshadow. So make sure to blend it out really good. Take your time. I'm going to be taking the color Blushing. Now I do take this kind of in sections. You'll see here it does take a while to fill up my whole lid. Now don't be afraid to put it everywhere, even if it goes on the crease. I will show you a trick that I use all the time to define that crease again, because you do want it to cover all of the concealer. You don't want to have white spots anywhere, so make sure you take your time patting the eyeshadow into the cut crease like I am doing here. I'm just taking my time, and it kind of did, like, if you can see, the crease is not as defined. So I'm gonna go take Seduction again, which is my deepest color, and I'm going to take it in this thin brush and kind of outline the crease again. This is going to make sure that my crease is well defined. I always like to do this and go back with that color, with the darkest color I take. Then I'm going to be taking this color Crush, which you can wet your brush or you don't really have to. This is the trick I wanted to show you guys. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, you can use them as eyeliner. Like, look at this, it looks so bomb. I was just like, wow. I did go ahead and do my eyeliner off of camera. My back was hurting, guys, and I did want to do a thicker, bigger wing. As you can see here, I did put it very dramatic. Then I'm taking this eyeliner from NYX and putting it on my lower lash line. My eyes are really dramatic, so I wanted to make the eyeliner even more dramatic. Plus I hadn't used eyeliner in my waterline for a long time. If you guys know, I really don't put anything on there. So, you know, I really wanted to make it dramatic, and I did do like kind of like a triangle in the front. I don't know how to say that, but you know, it looked cute. It looked cute. Here I'm taking the color Blushing, again putting it in my lower lash line. You want to finish up the look, so don't forget about your lower lash line. Then I'm going to be taking the color Lust, just the tiniest bit, and applying just a little bit under there to smoke it out. And after that, I'm going to be putting my eyelashes. Now my eyelashes are from House of Lashes in the style Allure Light. These eyelashes are so pretty. However, I do recommend, since you're already going pretty dramatic, if you want to go even more dramatic, use more dramatic eyelashes. These weren't as dramatic as I thought they were going to be. I do like them because you can see the eye look. If that's a problem with you, then use more of a natural lash. But if you are going dramatic, then just go the extra mile. You know what I'm saying? Here I am using this MAC lipstick and the color Twig, I believe. And it's just so beautiful. And then I'm using this highlighter, which honestly you just need a little bit of. And yeah, guys, that is what I did. Sorry for not showing you guys a face makeup, but this is the final steps I took for the look. Well, guys, that was the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this sexy AF makeup tutorial. I don't know what I was gonna say, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry I haven't been doing makeup tutorials. I'm just gonna play the pregnant card, but it's just so true. Like, it's so true. So thank you so much for being patient and loving me and watching my makeup videos, and I'll see you guys here in the next video. Bye.